Sam from Dorfman Amplification, where we are vintage sound enthusiasts. A little bit about our mission. Our goal is to provide budget musicians with an opportunity to build their own awesome sounding high-end tube amplifiers with minimal tools, experience, and budget. Here's a gallery of the final product. This is the first amplifier of a tube-driven series. Really pleased with how the final form came out, guys, especially at the hand tools. I love the natural finish. A little bit about us. I graduated the University of Colorado Boulder with a degree in environmental product design, and since then I've been focusing my efforts towards high-end audio equipment. About 13 years ago, when I began playing guitar and experimenting with the forums and modifying antique music gear, I developed a passion for kind of obtaining this vintage, clean, beautiful sound. So a goal of mine is to provide that sound to talented musicians who don't have much money to work with. Dorfman Amplification specializes in providing users with a DIY experience, so we explain the process of using your own resources and tools to build a very high quality, awesome sounding vintage style tube amp. Here's my contact page. You can find all my information on the left or submit your own request on the right, so give that a look. Moving on to the audio samples, check these out, guys. This is just me messing around a little bit, kind of showcasing like what sounds I can get through this amp so far. They're just solo parts, so that was pretty fun, and yeah, you can give those a listen. Here's my process page. There's more to come. I will be, populating this area with tons of different process images. I just have some for now to show you like my initial sketches and process models and that receiver that I stole the wiring out of. Yeah. Moving on to my videos. This is my favorite part, guys. I'm super, super happy with how these came out. These are DIY videos. This is kind of just a showcase of like what is to come. There will be more specific, more in-depth videos in the same format, populating this area in the future, but I made a little intro. And in there you'll find explanations and time lapses and photos. So check those out and know that there will be more to come, and my contact page that you guys saw before. So put in your request. And I'd like to give a special thank you to Gary Mulder from Mulder Audio for assisting me in this project. Here's my website link, and yeah, thank you.